నమస్తే, ఓం శాంతి. ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? ట్రెజర్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ అనే ఈ ఎపిసోడ్కి మీ అందరికీ స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. సో మనం చాలా ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ వింటూ వచ్చాము. ఇప్పుడు వరకు అందరికి ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఉన్నింది, ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ స్పిరిచువాలిటీ ఓన్లీ పెద్దవాళ్ళకే పరిమితమా, చిన్నవాళ్ళు దీంట్లో రాగలరా రాలేరా, చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ మనందరిలో ఉంటుంటాయి. సో మీ అందరి డౌట్స్ని ఇవాళ క్లియర్ చేయడానికి మన ముందు ఒక జూనియర్ పాకెట్ వచ్చారు. హాయ్ కాత్యాయని, నమస్తే, ఓం శాంతి.
ఓం శాంతి.
గుడ్ టు సీ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
సో ఇప్పటి వరకు ఈ ఎపిసోడ్లో చాలామంది పెద్దవాళ్ళు వచ్చారు, మిడిల్ ఏజ్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు, కానీ నీ ఏజ్ వాళ్ళు రావడం దిస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం. బికాస్ మా అందరికి ఒక డౌట్ ఉండేది, ఇట్స్ లైక్ స్పిరిచువాలిటీ హ్యాస్ అన్ ఏజ్ లిమిట్ అనేది, దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ క్లియర్డ్ ఇట్ అప్. వాట్ యూ సే?
సో ఐ హ్యావ్ ది సేమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్. నాకు కూడా సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగిండే. సో ఇట్స్ లైక్ నీ ఈ ఏజ్ కాదు కదా, వై ఆర్ యూ ఇన్ టు దిస్ అన్నట్టు. I was like, if you are able to get something good, why not experience it?
That's true.
Right? So, ekkadana manaki emana labam dorukutadappudu, we will go there and experience it.
Oh, no.
Right? So, in the same way, I was like, when you are able to get some good qualities, help you to, develop your personality and channelize your thoughts, everything.
So how could you develop your personality? Ela?
Yeah. So, I would share a small experience.
Please చెప్పండి.
During childhood, you can ask like my parents and all, I was extremely stubborn, short tempered.
Oh my god.
And ela ante school lo kuda fights lo digetani ala.
Then I should be careful now.
No, definitely
okay,
not. But
thank
yeah,
you.
I was extremely short tempered.
Okay.
But then when I started meditation, experiencing what is actually meditation is.
Okay.
Not only, concentrating on the breath, what others tell, right? So I did try those meditations also, concentrating on the breath, but didn't work out so much. The anger is not going out of me.
You couldn't control it.
I couldn't control. I used to shout at small things on my parents also, very easily.
Oh.
And I know that is wrong,
Okay.
but I was not able to do it.
Okay.
So when I started the spirituality and they told me what exactly a meditation is and how you can improve it.
Okay.
When you know the true meaning of meditation, like connecting ourselves, who are you, knowing who are you and who is God, the Supreme Soul, right? So just getting connected with Him, you will get a lot of power. Like a power bank nunchi manaki mottam power vachestundi, and the power doesn't decrease, it just increases.
So power meeku self control ki chala use ayindi
Chala.
antara.
So it's like I'm able to utilize that energy in a right direction.
Okay.
They never told me your energy is wrong.
Oh, so nice.
It's like it's going in a different direction which is hurting chala mandini, but you need to channelize your energy in a right way so that you can spread happiness also. So that's how I was able to control my anger a lot. In fact, now I feel I am much more calm person and I talk little less.
Oh, but talking less doesn't require all
Doesn't
the time.
require all the time, but yes, I can see that change in myself, how, because especially when with the photos, one of the small experiences, like we used to go on a lot of family tours.
Okay.
ఆ ఫ్యామిలీ టూర్స్లో వెళ్తే మొత్తం ఫ్యామిలీ ఒక దగ్గర ఉంటుండే, నేను ఒక పక్కన కూర్చొని ఇలా సమ్ లైక్ ఆల్వేస్ అల్గుండడం అలా. ఐ యూస్ టు సీ దోస్ పిక్చర్స్ అండ్ నౌ ఆల్ ద టైమ్ different kind of pictures.
So now you are in front of the camera also.
Yes.
That shows the difference.
Yes.
Okay. So మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎప్పుడన్నా అన్నారా, అరే వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ టు కాత్యాయని, ఇంతకుముందు అలా ఉంటే దాన్ని ఇలా చేంజ్ అయిపోయావేంటి? బికాస్ ఆ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్కి మంచి పాత్రలు వెళ్తే దే ఫీల్ లైక్ సంథింగ్ హ్యాస్ అటాక్డ్ యూ. సో అలా ఎవరైనా అనేవాళ్ళ, అవసరమా మనకి ఇదంతా?
నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ, పర్ అట్లా కొద్దిగా అనేవాళ్ళు. నాకు ఎక్కువ ఫ్రెండ్స్ లేకుండే బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మై యాంగర్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్. సో నాకు చాలా చిన్న గ్రూప్ ఉంటుండే, అండ్ ద ఫ్యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్ వాట్ ఐ గాట్, దే వర్ వెరీ సపోర్టివ్. ఐ వుడ్ సే like, okay, this girl is going in the right direction and they were able to see the change, in fact, because నేను ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడను, I would be like stage fear కూడా చాలా ఉండేది, and they saw me how I was before and now how I am, so they like it.
So they like the transformation.
You're not going to be a hurdle in your path.
Oh,
so I like that one of the things.
So could you bring those friends also into this path?
Not much,
Okay.
because it is little difficult, because they also believe in different aspects.
Okay.
And I cannot say those are wrong, because
Yeah,
they are
of
doing
course,
it
of course.
in a very good way. They are
That's
not
true.
hurting anyone.
Obviously.
So I would be always telling my part that you can definitely come try once, but they did come 2-3 times, but as such they didn't continue in the way.
So what are you by profession?
I'm a chartered accountant.
You're a chartered accountant. Please don't say that.
Yes,
I
yes.
feel like I'm doing some interview for a school and teenage person. Okay, you're a chartered accountant.
Yeah,
That's
it's been
so
3
nice.
years.
Oh, you cleared all the exams?
Yes,
All the
all
levels of CA?
Yes, yes.
Wow, how could you clear it such a tough exam? Ela asalu.
That is a very small, cute and a beautiful experience, I would say.
Okay, please
I
do
was
share.
not interested in CA, to be very
Uh-huh,
frank.
uh-huh.
It just came in my path. I don't know how. I was more interested to interior designing and all, but my parents they wanted like, you do this. If you want, you can continue your interiors path as well. But I was like, okay, let's continue with CA. When the first entrance exam, I actually thought I should not clear because I wanted to enjoy a lot.
Oh my God.
But I cleared.
Oh.
Like I wrote only for 150 marks, negative marking, but still I was able to get through it.
What was the success mantra?
I would say that time it is definitely luck who was helping me through continue this process. Later on I realized because my another second group also I was able to clear it very easily. Third one, I put in lot of efforts because I know that now, okay, it's been 2 stages, I cannot take it light. I will definitely
You
try
have to
and
clear it.
continue it. Like I'll make that as my actual profession and work in that way. So when it came to this third stage, more than these 2 stages, I put in like 200% efforts.
Superb.
I was so confident to clear in my first attempt
Superb.
because the papers also went very well. Dan tarvata, when results came, I didn't clear.
Okay.
It was so disappointing, so disappointing. I took out the papers like orders చేసుకుండే. You can
Previous
see.
papers.
నా పేపర్స్ నేను ఆర్డర్ చేసుకుండే లైక్ వేర్ డిడ్ ఐ గో రాంగ్
Okay,
అన్నట్టు.
okay.
మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ డిసప్పాయింట్మెంట్ వాస్ దాంట్లో క్లియర్ అయ్యావు కానీ క్లియర్ కాలే.
What does
Means
it mean?
it's like you got 65 marks, but because of some certain kind of restrictions and even more, I don't know what else they'll be happening back end, but they failed. Like I got 27.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like 65 to 27. There's drastic
Very
change.
drastic, yeah.
And at that point of time, I was already into spirituality. I was like, this shouldn't have happened to me.
Because you're believing spirituality too.
Yeah, this shouldn't have happened to me. And I went to the sister, I cried in front of her. Then she explained it very beautifully that, you know, it is all about karmic accounts probably. You
Oh.
never know what is happening.
Acha.
You don't know what is going to happen even more. Or maybe you are yet to experience something more beautiful. I was like, if that is the case, then let me try. So I told I'll try only one more time. After that, I'm going to give up.
Give up.
I'll go for a different profession. But I didn't feel like studying at all.
Okay.
Assal, you know, I didn't
Assal
feel like
concentration
concentration untunde. I used to study very little time.
Okay.
Okay, before like 18 hours చదువుతుండే. ఇప్పుడు I would reduced only to 8 hours.
Because అప్పుడు చదివినా క్లియర్ అవ్వలేదు కదా. It's okay.
It's okay. నా ఎంత ఉంటే అంత చేసేద్దాం అన్నట్టు. And then like that I studied with little less. Exams came, I wrote the exams. I know so many papers went horrible.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. And then I started telling, I have an habit. After I write my exam, right, I'll come sit in front of God, talk to him. This is
Wow.
how it is happening.
Okay.
Now it is your responsibility
To clear it
to clear it.
Oh,
And
that's
in fact,
too much.
I used to write a letter to him that, okay, this paper, like accounts, it went little bad and I want 50, then I'll be able to clear.
You did a bargaining with him?
Not exactly bargaining, but you can say like that.
Okay, okay.
So like that we have 8 papers. So each and every subject you need a certain percentage. So minimum is 40 marks. But I know how much I wrote the paper, so I was like, I need in this subject 50. Like that one paper went very bad. I thought I'll just fail. And I told I want 40 in this. I don't even want 1 mark more. Results came. It is the faith I feel that I have in him. Like aa nammakam toti, I guess because of that, each and every subject exact same marks.
Same marks.
Same to same.
Oh.
Like not even a mark to side, not even a mark other side. It's like 50 ante 50 వచ్చింది, 53 ante 53 వచ్చింది, 62 ante 62 వచ్చింది.
నిజంగా.
And that 40 which I wrote, 40.
So మీరు 100 రాసుంటే 100 వచ్చేది కదా. You didn't write?
But I know, right? How did I write? That is like selfish.
Oh.
Annattu.
Good.
So I feel this is like so good experience that you should try it. I tried it because I used to listen a lot of classes and I felt actually connected kada ani. It was like whatever you give, you imagine that way. So
Okay.
if you want a thing to happen, right? Visualize that thing. So visualize is not
Oh.
an imagination kind of stuff. So visualization is okay. You are set to happen in e time lo e things avale. So like that, I used to imagine, okay, this is going to happen now. This is going to happen now. This is how it is going to happen.
So we are saying that we can create our own future
Yes.
just with an imagination and putting our best into that.
Yes.
Oh, so viewers, the secret month of Katyayani is she has lot and lot of scope on God.
Yes.
Hope as well as scope. With hope and scope, she could get her results out.
Yes.
That's so nice.
So
Okay.
this is one of the very, I feel cute because he tells that
Obviously.
you trust me, you will get the result.
Wow.
The thing is that you need to trust him. You
So
should
ఎలా
not
అయితే
even
మనం
have a small doubt.
శాస్త్రాల్లో కూడా చాలా చదువుతూ ఉంటాం. ఒక్క అడుగులో మీరు వేయండి ధైర్యంగా, నేను 1000 అడుగులు మీకు చూపిస్తాను అంటే దట్స్ వాట్ ప్రాక్టికలీ హ్యాపెన్ టు యువర్ లైఫ్.
Yes.
సో తనకి అలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేని టైంలో కూడా తన బెస్ట్ ఇచ్చింది, బట్ షీ కుడ్ గెట్ ఇట్. దట్స్
Yes.
సో నైస్.
I would say a small slogan here also because
please.
I would feel like during studies ఇంతగానం ఎందుకు చదవాలి, ఎన్ని కష్టాలు ఎందుకు అని that time only a song released అన్నమాట బ్రహ్మకుమారిస్లో and I got connected so easily. ये मत कहो खुदा से कि मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, पर खुदा से मुश्किलों से ये कहो कि मेरा खुदा बड़ा है.
సో భగవంతుడితో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాకు అర్థమైంది ఏంటంటే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూసి భయపడకండి, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎందుకు మీ దగ్గరకు వచ్చాయో మిమ్మల్ని మీరు అడగండియా.
కాదు, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి ఇది భగవంతుడికి ఇది చెప్పకండి నా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చాలా పెద్దగా ఉన్నాయి అని, కానీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి చెప్పండి నువ్వు ఇంతనే ఉన్నావు, నా తోడు భగవంతుడు ఎంత పెద్దగా ఉన్నాడు అని.
ఓకే, భగవంతుడి ముందు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎంత,
Yes.
మన వెనకాల సూపర్ న్యాచురల్ పవరే ఉన్నప్పుడు చిన్న ఎలక లాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎంత అంటారు.
Yes.
ఓ, అది మీ లైఫ్లో ప్రాక్టికల్గా మీరు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేశారు.
Yes.
సో వాట్ అబౌట్ యువర్ ఫ్యామిలీ, వాళ్ళు ఎలా సపోర్ట్ చేసేవారు?
Yeah, the very important thing is like నేను ముందు నమ్మేవాడిని అస్సలు, I was an atheist, I can say that. So I would not believe అస్సలు. But I saw how my family got transformed and in which situation ఎలా ఉండేవాళ్ళు ఎలా అయిపోయారు. So there was some kind of things that were happening in the family and financial condition became extremely low.
Okay.
So so much low, but they started coming into the spirituality and I was able to see the change in them. And my mom came up to me and told that నువ్వు ట్రై చేయు, నీకు నచ్చితే కంటిన్యూ చేయు,
సో స్వీట్,
ఫోర్స్ ఎవర్ చేయట్లే అని.
So you should be blessed to have such parents also.
Very
Okay.
much. Like each and every time they keep on supporting. So like that I went to the center. She took me, my mom took me to the center and she introduced to a sister. I used to have lot of questions because I would not believe in God.
Obviously.
So I used to have lot of questions and each and every question had a logical answer because
Okay.
before whomever I would ask a question, they're like, it is like this, you have to do like this.
So they actually instructed you. But
Yes.
here it's totally different.
Totally different.
They have
tell you
guided you.
Yes, they'll guide you here.
Okay,
There is
okay.
like, it is meant to be like this, so you have to follow. Instructions are set like that. But here, why is something that is answered.
Acha. You got a proper guidance from everyone.
Yes.
Okay.
So the concept of God is one is again the most, I feel that is the most appropriate, perfect, and nothing else can be beyond that. So God is one is something that I got even more connected. And then she told, if you want to experience him, you need to do few things. I was like, what are the few things? So she told, you need to get up early in the morning.
Oh my God, it's
I
so
was
tough,
like,
no?
Okay, I will get up, but what is the time?
Okay.
Because I used to get up at 7, however I used to go to school.
Yes, obviously.
So I used to get up at 7. So she was like, not 7, but maybe around 6 o'clock. She didn't tell me 4 o'clock at that point of time. She told 6 o'clock. I was like, okay, 1 hour only, no, I can do it.
Yeah.
So starting, I did maybe for probably a week. And I was not able to get anything. So I went and spoke to the sister. You told me to do at 6 o'clock. I can see a small difference, but
not
impactful.
Significant one. Yeah.
So she was like, okay, then do this time. Get up at 4 o'clock. Do not sit for 3 hours, 2 hours. Don't sit like that. just 15 minutes, not even beyond that.
Okay.
Just 15 minutes, sit, and how I'm guiding you the meditation, in the same way you visualize them. I was like, okay. So I got up at 4 o'clock. That one moment, I guess it happened after 3 days when I started getting up.
Okay.
That first, after the 3 days, when I got up again at 4 o'clock, the same kind of thing. We're just getting connected, trying to imagine how he looks like and taking the powers from him. It's just like what she was telling. I was trying to inculcate that inside myself. But that 15 minutes, I didn't experience. I mean, it's like, it was not 15 minutes, it was for an hour.
But you have realized it as only 15 minutes.
Yes. And
Okay.
when I looked into time, it was like, okay, 1 hour passed. What
Oh.
exactly happened? I was so light. It's like I am out of this body, something very small and extremely happy. You know, there's no kind of, any kind of external forces coming and disturbing me, because I would not sit
Yeah.
together at one place and concentrate. I was not that kind of person. I was able to sit like that for an hour, and thing is that I was not body conscious. I would not do these all things like rubbing my hand or you know, doing these all things. It was that 1 hour was so magical that after that I was like, okay, this is something that I have to walk in through.
So ఆ డే నుంచి you're waking up at
Yes.
4 o'clock every day.
Yes.
Oh my
At
God.
times 3, it depends again. at
ఎప్పుడు
times.
పడుకునే వాళ్ళు?
Before school, so I would sleep by 9:30 or 10 o'clock.
Okay.
But yes, again, office. I know that it would be the next question. Yeah, office, since I'm working little late night, but still I manage to get up at 4 o'clock.
Oh.
So I sleep at 2 o'clock at times.
So
because of the
whatever
office
is your bedtime, you wouldn't have missed this Amrit Vela, the so-called
Yes.
Amrit Vela you're saying.
Yes.
It's a precious time.
work. Yes.
Okay. So why don't we also try the time? Because she's saying that some magical things
Is going to happen for sure.
Okay, so magical situations can definitely happen in that precious time. So like because startup మనం 4కి లెగలేకపోతే 6 అన్నా 5 అన్నా కూడా చేయొచ్చా సేమ్
Yeah,
మెడిటేషన్
As sisters keep telling that, it was like if it's not happening to you, slowly keep getting the time ahead. So
Acha.
6, then 5, then 4, whenever you feel comfortable. But what we call here Amrit Vela is from 2 to 5 in
2
between
o'clock.
this. Yeah, 2 o'clock.
Okay, fine. So your work, what are you as a profession? Like you're
Chartered
working
accountant.
chartered accountant, and you're working in any company?
Yes, I'm working right now in Deloitte.
Acha, it's an IT industry, and again a hectic job, right?
Yes, very hectic job. Again, initially it was not that hectic, but from past 2 years it became little hectic. But since everyone knows that a me time is definitely required, so my me time is my Amrit Vela, where I get energized,
Charged.
and you know, I'll be able to spread that throughout the work as
సో
well.
మీకోసం మీరు ఒక టైం అలొకేట్ చేసేసారు.
Yes.
Nobody can disturb that time. However the situations, whatever the thing you have, but you will allocate that time for you.
Yes.
Okay. So that's your success mantra?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Okay, Katyani, I have a doubt. మీరు ఇంతకు ముందు అన్నారు you're very short tempered person అని అన్నారు. And you have also told us ఆ షార్ట్ టెంపర్ని మీరు ఎలా రెడ్యూస్ చేసుకున్నారు అనేది. సో దట్ కెన్ హ్యాపెన్ ఓన్లీ మీ పైన మీరు కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేస్తే అని కూడా మీరు అన్నారు. సో హౌ కుడ్ యూ గెట్ దట్ ఇమోషనల్ ఇండిపెండెన్స్?
I was always into this thing that I should be always independent. So నాకు independence was like, okay, నా పేరెంట్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి నేను మనీ తీసుకోవద్దు, నేను ఎవరిని హెల్ప్ అడగొద్దు, అలాంటి I always thought that is independence. But after coming into spirituality and understanding that happiness or love or anything else is not dependent on any materialistic things or any people also, for that matter.
Okay.
I was like, how is that possible? Because there are people who tells you something or the other, you feel bad, or compliment you, you feel very happy
And that
about it.
materials itself gives us happiness, no?
Right. Like
So
you
you
use
had a
mobile, I
passion
was like,
there.
oh, I got so many good news.
Yes.
But I was able to understand that why it is not always dependent on materialistic things. So for that matter, I would say an example during my CA studies, right?
Okay.
How meditation helped me is to improve the concentration.
Mm-hmm.
And for that I experimented a small thing. I would not use my mobile, because for me mobile at that point of time was like, okay, I was a kind of addict.
Yeah.
And I used to get a lot of happiness because I used to talk to my friends a lot. I was like, okay, let me try this. I will keep my mobile aside. We'll see whether I am still happy or not,
Okay.
and whether I'm able to concentrate. Because even during studies, I used to get the mobile
Obviously,
and
chatting,
then how it
Yeah.
works. So for 1 month, I experienced. I was able to control. You get that
Oh.
power to control.
You could conquer on that.
Yes, and that indirectly helps my concentration also. Full focus on the studies. There is no distraction at all.
deviation, yeah.
Right? Full focus on studies, and help to improve my mental stability also.
Okay.
As in, like, not getting easily disturbed. If someone says like, Tinu, your parents keep telling in
Yeah.
between, Antasep enduk chavutuno, Tinu, and I get irritated.
Okay.
Then I will come whenever I want, but I would not get irritated
Acha.
at that point of time.
Okay, okay.
So that helps in how to deal with people, how to accept people, and how to improve your inner power.
Okay, that's how meditation has helped you.
Yes.
How to deal with people, how to get emotional stability, and how to
Yes.
accept the situation and people.
Yes.
Acha, acha,
And
acha.
not, enforcing your things on them.
Oh, that's more than enough, no?
Yes.
That's what we actually require in your life, and we are struggling to get that.
Yes.
Okay, because we are choosing many ways, like going to a temple, listening to some, some Swamiji's upanyasams or something other things. But that meditation has helped you in this.
Yes.
Okay. So what's your next step? You would like to continue in this path?
Yes, of course,
That's
definitely.
so nice,
I would
because
never.
you're getting so much of benefit out of
yeah,
it.
who would leave so much of benefit for any other thing? I would definitely not leave it. I would continue till the time we live.
So
For
sweet.
sure.
So sweet. So what's the message you give it to the youth of your age?
Yes, I would say that when people say that spirituality is only for a particular age, I would say no.
Okay.
It is for any age group, let that be a small child or an old age person.
But in your scenario, you got your parents' support. While support ichar kabatti, you could actually go into that way. But what happens to a lay person like us or somebody? So there is no shelter of the parents. So what can we do? Alanti time lo, how can we choose? How can we convince the parents? Is it easy? What do you say?
I would say have trust on him,
Okay.
trust on God. He is going to take care of everything.
Mm-hmm.
You should first trust him, first understand that. Do not directly jump to your parents and say that, oh, this is something new, I have to go try it. It doesn't work like that. First, have that confidence on yourself that, okay, the path I chose is right. You're very confident on it, then you trust, because trust obviously gets developed there. So once your trust is developed, you just have to leave everything to him. He is the
Everything
one
to
who is
him.
going to take care.
So
You
as
need
it
not
is, we
worry.
should be selfish about ourselves when we are
Yes.
getting anything. So why should we leave that path? That's so
Yes.
nice. So viewers, today we came to know about Katyayani's life. So how did she start her spiritual journey? What are the advantages she has experienced? తన లైఫ్లో ఒక ఎమోషనల్ స్టెబిలిటీ అనేది తను తీసుకోగలిగింది, ఇండిపెండెంట్ డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ కూడా తీసుకోగలిగింది. ప్రతి సమయం ద సో కాల్డ్ సుప్రీం పవర్ అని తను చెప్తున్నారు కదా, ఆ పవర్తో ఎలా లింక్ చేయాలో కూడా తను తెలుసుకోగలిగింది. సో మనం కూడా తను ఎలా అయితే ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ తీసుకుందో, మనం కూడా అలాంటి ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ తీసుకోవడానికి ఒక్కసారి బ్రహ్మకుమారీస్ మెడిటేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ దగ్గరికి ఒకసారి వెళ్దాము, ఒకసారి ట్రై చేద్దాం. ఐఎమ్ ష్యూర్ మీకు ఇదంతా నచ్చి ఉంటుంది. ప్లీజ్ మీరు ఒక్కసారి శాంతి సరోవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో సబ్స్క్రైబ్, లైక్ అండ్ కమెంట్ చేయండి. అండ్ మీరు కానీ మీ వాల్యుబుల్ సజెషన్స్ కనుక కమెంట్ చేసినట్టయితే డెఫినెట్లీ ఆ సజెషన్స్ని మేము తీసుకుంటాం టు ఇంప్రవైజ్ దిస్ ఎపిసోడ్ యాజ్ వెల్. Thank you so much for watching us, and thank you so much, Katyayani, for
Thank you.
visiting us. Thank you so much.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Bye.